Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 40. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter security and privacy. Go to device lock, screen lock, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. And let's start with none. None and swipe are actually non-security screen locks. Let's select password now, and to create it, enter at least 4 characters. Use it to unlock the phone. And next, let's select PIN number. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. When it's done, we can proceed to fingerprint unlock. To set it, tap the fingerprint sensor located on the power button multiple times. Each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done and use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select face unlock, and to set it, scan your face via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.